Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you some Dalgona cold drink recipes. Let's start with the first drink, Matcha Green Tea Dalgona Latte. In a mixing bowl, add in 150 grams of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Beat the cream until soft peaks form, then add in 2 teaspoons of matcha powder. I use a colander to get rid of matcha powder clumps, then use a whisk to mix everything till it is well combined. Look at the beautiful vibrant green color. Add plenty of ice into a pretty glass cup. Pour in 300 ml of whole milk. Add 80 ml instant black coffee. Lastly, add matcha on top and the drink is done. Next drink is original Dalgona coffee. In a mixing bowl, add in 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of hot water. Stir the coffee in hot water until the coffee granules are dissolved. Then add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Beat until foamy and creamy, just like this. I hear rumors that you have to beat the coffee 400 times. Add 300 ml whole milk and pour the coffee on top. Ta-da! Dalgona coffee is ready. If you like stronger coffee flavor, then I suggest you to try this. Make the coffee foam just like before. Add 300 ml whole milk, then slowly pour double shot espresso. Finally, pour coffee foam on top. Easy peasy! The next drink is my favorite one, which is strawberry cream cheese milk. Add 2 ounces cream cheese in a mixing bowl. Add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Keep folding until it is smooth. Last but not least, add 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of whole milk. Stir until it is smooth and thick. Add the salt slowly and adjust according to your taste. Then add 1 tablespoon of homemade strawberry jam. That's it, strawberry cream cheese is done. Add 300 ml whole milk and pour the strawberry cream cheese. Add strawberry jam on the top for the final touch. This is it for today's video. Let me know if you tried the recipes. Thank you so much for watching and see you next week.